Hi, and welcome to your first quick sentence builder lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Your first word is ask. Here's a picture. Here it is in different languages. Ask means say something in order to get an answer or some information. Ask. Let's build a sentence. She asks. So remember, he, she, it, and a name, the verb has an S or an ES. Let's build a sentence. She asks, what? What does she ask? A question. She asks a question. Let's build a sentence. She asks a question. Why? Why does she ask a question? How? How does she ask a question, or where? Where does she ask a question? We have to make a choice. Why? Why does she ask a question? She asks a question about the math test. Okay. Let's build a sentence. She asks a question about the math test. Who? Who does she ask? She asks James a question about the math test. Let's build a sentence. She asks James a question about the math test. When? When is the test? She asks James a question about the math test next week. Let's build a sentence. She asks James a question about the math test next week. Who? Who is James? She asks her classmate James a question about the math test next week. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, and how. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed your first quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the great work.